Hello, Fiji Motorsport. We're just doing this diagnostic machine, checking the fault. We had a misfire, and we changed coil and everything. We're on the road. Just got to do a test run now. See how this thing's doing. We messed a bit, changed a bit of stuff to it. Just got to see how it's working fine. Got to look at the see if there's any fault there. It's still green now, so we've got no engine around the lights. It's all off now. Going to launch you, see if it's okay.
Not launch you.
Yeah.
Just test this, see if it's alright, but for low cost today, fuck it there. We'll get through there then.
So he says no fudge of gold.
Indicators.
Let's see who works this.
Look, how many cars today?
That's it.
Come on, where's all these cars come from? It's a Sunday.
I don't know.
This one.
Oh, sound nice. It's got a lovely sound there. I go.
270, just 270.
That's alright.
It's what, do 270.
It's all green now, there's no codes going on, so it was working then.
70 miles per hour.
Let's go on to the test diagnostic.
Strong cruise control.
So it's driving alright. You're on the main road, no lights on the dash. So let's go put the dash on for no light. Everything's alright. Tony's driving there. That's it. Okay, ciao then. Ciao.
VGS Motorsport.
VGS Motorsport. Thanks for watching.
Daily
thumbs up, thumbs
Alfa
up.
Updates.
Alpha 159.
Never use that shit fuel.
And don't use E10 Fuel because it fucks things up.
I think only works after 18 cars, or I think.
They don't work on the high performance cars. They don't work. Don't work shit. You must use super unleaded. any super unleaded, but don't use that E10. It wastes your time. That's the problem. That's what happened. The E10 Fuel fucked it all up. We've done it now. So
driving better.
Drives nice now.
Before he was shaking like a bad to you, like he's like a tap at this one.
Don't know.
Come off this one.
Okay, there. Did we come off?
Did something?
Okay, thanks for watching. Thumbs up. No problem. Like.
Grazie tutti.
Grazie. Ciao.
No problem.
Yeah. Okay. If we don't see you, have a nice Merry Christmas. That's it, yeah?
Yeah.
New Year. Well, ciao, ciao.
Updates.